Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a very detailed look at this incredible 15-foot patio umbrella. To get started, I'm going to show you the process of assembly. I'm going to run you through every single step and show you what that looks like, and then I'll tell you more about it. Everything arrived so neatly packaged and well protected. We set out the pieces and then looked over the instruction guide. Step 1 was building the base. We connected the two crossbars with the base of the pole and got that secured with the included hardware. Then I placed the corner pieces and locked them in place with the side supports, which very simply slide into place and connect the corners. This felt nice and secure and went together with ease. We purchased 3 50-pound bags of sand to fill the included waterproof bags for the base. It was really simple to pour the sand in through the zippered opening. We ended up only using 100 pounds of sand because this felt like plenty to provide a secure base. We moved the base where we wanted the umbrella and then placed the sandbags inside. Next, I took the waterproof cover with the built-in hooks and I placed it over the center pole. Then I got it secured to the base using the built-in hooks. Then we were ready to prepare the umbrella. I placed the tightening screws in the pole so they were ready for use, and then it was time to set up the solar panel for the built-in LEDs. The top middle of the umbrella has the wire connection for the solar panel. It was very simple to connect to the back side of the panel, and then you just twist it into place to secure it. This is going to provide long-lasting use of the LEDs without worry of batteries or plugs. Next, we attached the pole to the umbrella by screwing it in and got it placed in the base, where we used the tightening screws to make sure it was secure. So assembly was an absolute breeze and we are crazy about this umbrella. This is going to get so much use for my family. We are going to enjoy this pretty much in all seasons and even daytime and nighttime because this has 144 bright LEDs. So this is definitely going to be an incredible item to have with friends and families while you're hosting or just to sit out and relax under. The umbrella material is an olefin fabric, so it's very durable, it's water repellent, and it's fade resistant up to 5 years. This particular umbrella is in the off-white color. I think it is absolutely stunning, and although it is a light color, it still blocks 99.9% of UV rays, so this is definitely going to be a great way to relax in the summer months and not have to worry so much about getting burnt. The crank mechanism that's used to raise and lower the umbrella is incredibly smooth. It's very simple to do and it is quick to get the umbrella up or down. There is a little safety pin that you can place, so in the case that something were to come loose, the little ropes that pull it up, you can have that safety pin in and not have to stress about the umbrella suddenly coming down. This umbrella does come with an included cover, so when you are ready to tuck this away or just put it down and protect it from the elements, it comes with that waterproof bag that's very simple to use. It covers the umbrella entirely and it has a nice zipper enclosure, making it that much more simple to put on. So my family is thrilled to have this, whether it's just to allow my toddler somewhere to play that's nice and protected and out of the sun, or if it's something for us to use when we have gatherings and people over so we can hang out more comfortably outdoors. And we are going to certainly love using this in the evening time, sitting with the campfire going, having a little hangout space that we can go that's got some built-in lights. It's all so user-friendly and well built. So this is definitely going to be a favorite item in my household, and I know that you guys would love it as well. So if you guys were looking for a large quality patio umbrella that has all the features that you can imagine, this is such a wonderful choice. I would definitely give it a try.